Are you looking for the best home security systems? In this video we will look at some of the best home security systems on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Ring Alarm Pro. Installation DIY installation contract required, no voice assistant, Amazon Alexa, Google Assistant, additional fees, 24/7 professional monitoring fee, recording fees, service bundles and / a Ring Alarm Pro system has changed the DIY home security game, wrapping a Wi-Fi 6 Eero router into its base device. Not only do you get reliable security performance, but you'll also get access to all sorts of extra features. These include cellular-powered backup Wi-Fi, network security monitoring, local processing and storage for your Ring devices, and integration with Alexa's Guard Plus service, provided you have an Echo speaker or display. Considering all the bells and whistles, the Ring Alarm Pro received an impressive score of 9/10 in our review. Ring still has a troubling history regarding its privacy practices and policies. Still, the Ring Alarm Pro is undeniably one of the smartest DIY home security systems I've ever tested, and it's still competitively priced in a crowded market. Read our Ring Alarm Pro review. Number 2. Wyze Home Monitoring. Like SimpliSafe, Wyze allows you to build a custom security system for your home needs. A home monitoring subscription starts at either $10 a month or $100 annually, including the required Wyze Sense Hub for free. From there, you can add motion sensors, cameras, keypads, video doorbells, and more. Or you could opt for the Home Security Bundle at Amazon, which includes AV3 camera, 2-door / window sensors, a motion detector, a keypad and the Sense Hub, and a 6-month monitoring subscription for less than $150. The only real drawback, Wyze doesn't have a cellular backup in case of power or internet outages. Perhaps that feature will come with time, but for now, we give the Wyze Home Monitoring System a solid 8.4 out of 10. Read our Wyze Home Monitoring review. Number 3. SimpliSafe. Installation DIY installation contract required, no voice assistant, Amazon Alexa, Google Assistant, additional fees, 24/7 professional monitoring fee, storage fee, service bundles and / a. We've tested the SimpliSafe system several times and most recently gave it a review score of 8.5 out of 10. If you're looking for home security, without all the extra Wi-Fi and smart home integrations of the Ring Alarm Pro, SimpliSafe's easy-to-install, easy-to-use DIY system is a great option. It offers a comprehensive set of features, including equipment like security cameras and a very good mix of battery-powered motion detection sensors, all of which performed reliably well in our tests. Starter kits begin at less than $250, or you can build a custom alarm system with the exact mix of devices you need. The security company's professional monitoring plan starts at $18 a month, but you'll almost certainly want to spring for the $28 a month monitoring service plan, which adds in things like mobile app controls and smart home security system voice support via Alexa and Google Assistant. Read our SimpliSafe review.